Yo, today is today's September 4th, 9:09, and today my daily bias is actually uncertain. Why I say that? So we have two good targets right here. We have London and Asia low below, and then we have two data highs right here. We took out London and Asia high already, so we are traveling down towards those lows. On the 15 minute, we seem to be, moving down towards these lows, but nothing that gives like super clear indication. This is just chopping down slowly. Same thing with the 1 hour. If we take a look, the hourly, kind of like just chopping around. The 4 hour is a little bit more clear, wanting to be bullish because we still have the inverse of this gap and we're moving up from it. So I'll just really play off of conditions and what the market gives me once we are opened. There's nothing really like broad as daylight clear. I feel like today could go either way. We can either sweep London and run up to these highs, or we can do the opposite. So I'll just see what the market gives us when we do get to open. So yeah, catch you in about 20 minutes because I got distracted by fuck ass homework and I did this late. So yeah. Bro, alright, we're at open. My bad. I keep getting fucking distracted by this stupid ass homework already. But open, we're dumping off. Fucking ES already took one of the data highs. I do want to see if we can get a Judah swing under London, SMT with it, and then get an entry to data high on NQ though. We're gonna get to these data highs without an entry. With the first data high. Second one's most likely just gonna get ran through as well. Alright, we took the other data high now. No entry. We also do have news at 10 a.m. Another red folder set. So we're just gonna see, maybe just wait on that. We are displacing down nicely, but about to open up a 5 as well. So I'll wait and see on that. Right, we inversed this 3 minute, but brother, the fucking RR on this shit's ass. Maybe we get some structure out of it and can get something with better RR. Just be patient and see. Never got clear structure out of it, but it is delivering currently. My break even point would have been right here. Yeah, we didn't even get to the break even point on this 3 minute, and it's just shooting back up. So again, waiting on that structure saved me, I guess. Well, we'll see if it actually did. This trade's still not done. 3 minute made the recovery. Oh shit. Alright, news coming out. And now. Hopefully it delivers us to London. I would like that. We are SMT'd with minis. Alright, there we go. We hit London. Let's see what reaction we could get off of this. We are SMT'd with it, like I said, as it would happen. Well, that shit was super fucking obvious. We don't have an inverse on the 1 minute. I have a baby ass one on the 2. Double check here. We don't have one on the 2. We gotta wait for a 3 minute one to open on minis. Alright, it looks like we're sprinting towards these Asia lows as well. Alright, if we can get a strong ass reversal. Oh shit, hold on, I'm trying to check. Oh shit, forgot to say that 3 minute would have hit full TP. Alright, looking at this 3 minute right now, seeing if we can get it. I want to see good displacement starting now, because it's looking like shit at the moment. But we do have that SMT. I need that SMT to hold, and I want us to displace higher right now. And if this 5 opens, that'd be even better. This 5 would be way better. Hopefully this SMT holds and this 5 opens now that I look at it. Now it depends on where this close is going to be, on if I'm taking this trade or not. It'd need to sit under this candle, like the high of this candle. Wow. I had a good hope too. This is actually ridiculous. Ridiculous. Alright, maybe ES just wanted to take out London. Excuse me. Damn. We're rejecting that London low pretty strong. Okay, now we have to start pumping up. Let's hold this SMT with Asia. And let's start pumping up, please. All right, so all right, I'm in. So I'm taking this on my eval, and if we get this 5 minute, then I'll take it on my funded. All right, so I just set a limit on the 5. If we take the equal highs, I'm gonna cancel my limit. All right, we're out. Fuck. Are we fucking serious? All right, depending on how we displace, I might move my stops up a little bit. Yeah, we're too far. I thought I hesitated on this. Yeah, I pump faked this one. This one's on me. I could have gone in on my funded. Rejecting off midnight open, another inverse. And we're bouncing off the 1 minute. So, yeah. I took too long. I hesitated to get in on my funded. But hopefully this eval hits. It's for sure gonna run these equal highs. Just gotta be patient, I guess. Damn, bro. I wish I could have gone in on this on my funded off the midnight open retest. Damn, it was a little late. I hit full TP. Was talking to mother, but yeah, this would have been the trade I should have taken as well, but I hesitated. Um, Need to get over that with trading on fundeds. Would have been 2.6 R. This would have been the trade on actual funded, but I hesitated and did not take it. My entry would have ended up being, if I did take it, which I didn't, my entry would have ended up being like around, oh shit. It still would have been positive RR, but it would have been like 1.4, see? So yeah, but we took it on eval coming off of this SMT sweep of Asia low 1 minute with really good displacement up. Just got an early entry and we took it. So yeah, up 943. All right, well, it's probably where I'm gonna call it unless we get a continuation to Asia. See, so we had a low, a high, lower low, put in that higher high. The ABS framework, good displacement. All right, we had a good trade today. Was on eval. I wish I could have taken it on funded. Lack of my fault again, but I just need to be better prepared, bro. I was already in this trade, and I just need to be better prepared and think more. But I'll leave that for PTC. So yeah, that'll be it for today. I'll catch you for PTC in a little bit, a couple hours. Yeah. Yo, PTC time. Welcome to PTC. It is 1:31, about to be 1:32, and today we took one trade. Should have taken one trade but like two different entries kind of thing, but let's go over the trade we did take real quick. So coming in the market open, I wasn't too certain, but of course when we have these two data highs, I believe price is always going to run there when they're stacked like this. So what does it do? Exactly what I said, sprints there, but if we get no entry, just a straight pump. After that, it comes down and takes out London and Asia on NQ while we keep an SMT with ES here from Asia, from the Asia session low. We get that SMT. We have a 2-minute inverse going into Asia session low on both indexes, and we displace excellently up, and we create this 2-minute inverse, which is when I entered.
We also have ABS framework, low, high, lower, low, looking to implement that higher high. We are also rejecting off of this. Oh, that's not a 4-hour gap. Damn, I was wrong. I thought this was a 4-hour gap. I believe it's an hourly. We're also, yeah, that's what it is. We're rejecting again off of this hourly, respecting it. Another thing is, sorry, I got confused on that 4 hour and that 1 hour. But right here, one thing I do want to implement a little bit better. What is that? 2.25 points, basically. Let's say 3 points. Gotta market order that, dude. Have to market order that. That's in my rules, bro. I said that I wanted to start doing that. Still limit ordered. I need to be more attentive on that stuff, though. I'm glad that, of course, was able to see this in live time, take the trade, correct risk and everything. But it's the little things. It's the details, bro, that's going to play out in the long run. And that goes for everything in all aspects of life. But, yeah, then we take this trade. Equal highs right here. They were on NQ as well is the only time they really matter. And, yeah, that's where I took full TP at. Price could have even ran the Asia high, would have hit TP at 1126, but I was just looking to get that almost a 1 to 2. Here's where I will say that I'm not too proud of myself at. I could have gotten a re-entry. Hold on, I'm gonna take this out. I could have gotten a re-entry here on this 1 minute to these equal highs, and I would have taken this on my actual funded, but I was too late to read and react to the risk. Would have been 2.61, so it would have been about 520, 550-ish kind of thing. Okay, so I got funded last week, I believe it was, and I took an L. Where I think I'm going wrong is I'm again lagging behind on the emotional aspect because now it is essentially real money and I can get paid from it now. So I'm lagging behind and I still have parts of my, let's say parts of my game, that I got to work on as far as the emotions that come with trading on a funded account, an actual funded account, not just an eval now. I'm getting better at my evals, risking correctly, entering, not hesitating as much, or even really at all now. But now it's going to be time to get to that point with my fundeds. And that's okay that I'm like that because I'm brand new to funded accounts. That's okay. I'm glad that last time I took an L, I was chilling. Now I need to be willing to enter because I could have taken this 2 minute. This 2 minute was a A minus. I'd say it's about an A minus. This 2 minute was solid. What would have made this 2 minute better had it been a session liquidity as a draw or like the data highs hadn't been taken yet. That would have made it an A plus trade. I could have taken this shit on my funded account. I can't just sit here and wait for every single thing to be perfectly aligned. No, this is a good trade. The one I took on my eval today was a good trade. I need to be willing to take these trades and be willing to, be just get rid of that fear on my funded account now. Yeah, it's new, but I'm glad I'm realizing it so I could get rid of it 10 times quicker than I did with what it took me to do on my eval. So, yeah, man, I need to, and also I wasn't ready to implement risk and I hesitated. You can see from the video, off of this one, off of the retap and to the equal highs. And dude, I need to be snappy, bro. I said this before. I need to be more attentive, more on it. I need to stop lagging. Like when price is just lollygagging, I kind of go mind-boggled, space out. I need to stop that. I need to stay focused. It's an hour and a half, dude. If you can't fucking stay focused for an hour and a half, that's a fucking problem, and you need to lock in, brother. Yeah. Talking to you, aka myself. But yeah, that's really all I got to say today. Just wish I was better for right here. Now I'm glad that this helped me realize I do need to work on my emotions with my actual funded. And yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow I believe is NFP. Let's double check that. Yeah, tomorrow's NFP. And look at my muscles. But yeah, catch you tomorrow.